Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like everything beauty, and now that we're in October, if you like everything Halloween, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So hello my ghosts and ghouls. Today I'm going to be turning myself into a dripping skin flapper girl. I did pick up this little flapper kit from Walmart, which I thought was really cute. It has the little sleeves with the little tassels. It has like the little long, I guess, cigarette thing you want to call it. Then we have some beads, and then we have the little headpiece. And this here, just to let you know, was only $8.98. And I have my little velvet tank top on. So I thought it'd be really cute to turn myself into a dripping flapper girl. So the body paint I'm going to go in with today is Cheek FX Neon Yellow Water Activated Body Paint.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like a night.
So now I'm just going to go in with a black liquid eyeliner, which is a Halloween one that I got from Walmart. And I'm just going to draw the lines around my eyes. And the reason for drawing the lines around my eyes is because after I'm going to go in and apply white paint.
Catch a flick and do some stuff. I used to understand, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you.
Now for the drips, I'm going to go in with the Cheek FX Black Water Activated Body Paint, and I'm just going to go ahead and randomly place the drips around my face and my chest.
Just give me a sign, I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Just give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games I don't wanna play? I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep on around it. You see all the women in my DMs, it's astounding. You ain't gotta worry about a thing, you got me grounded. Yeah, I say any truth that I wanna say. Let's appreciate our youth like it's our final days. I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything we choose, and I would choose you, baby. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come.
Now to add some shadows to the drips, I am going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and I am taking the shade Temptress. And I'm just going to start creating some shadows to the drips.
You could be the muse to my passion.
Now I'm going to go in with Rimmel London's Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Pitch Black.
Actions, magic in my life's everlasting. I say, I could have the world, don't be with any go. But something about your style makes me wanna man up. You should feel like.
Now to add some highlight, I am going to go in with the Cheek FX White Body Paint. And I'm going to add some highlight to the drips, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my eyes.
Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Please give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games I don't wanna play?
So now to create some shadow to my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, and I am taking the shade Temptress.
I'm the rarest in the deck, call me ace of spades. Life is anything you choose, and I would choose you, babe. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, baby.